So do you really not want a big brother?
Obv's not.
I've always wanted one. A big brother's like a best friend and a role model in one. A brofodel!
Well, I don't want a brofodel.
But a brother would mean someone else to share stuff with, like comic books, ice cream, adventures.
I do like adventures. And I don't like when McLaren stops me because I might break all my legs.
Someone to go to spas and wear rejuvenating mud packs with.
McLaren never does that. She's always, ooh, strep-giving mud packs. What nonsense. But look, yuck!
Of course, one new brother means one more birthday present.
Sorry, Johnnicky, but what Nova says goes. And she says you have to go.
Wait, leaving so fast? We've got so much to catch up on, bro.
But no! The Johnnicky extraction process has already started, so...
Hey, we should totally catch up. I know all the best festival spots.
She can't, because...
What? Better idea. We bring the festival indoors and no M-word. Love your hairband.
It was yours. Got it at the auction. You should see the rest of my collection. It's so awesome.
Sid, you've not seen Digit, have you? It's gone off in another huff after I used it to scratch me bum.
Digit's up there, Captain, but...
Ah, Digit, there you are.
Digit found a new captain of the festival.
New captain. Fair enough, Digit. If that's how you want it.
Just like a festival.
Only better. No smelly crowds, no blocked toilets, and no... mud! And now, live at Nova Fest, on the Nova Stage, it's Nova Joe!
You're not awesome, I'm awesome. Turn up the volume. I'm awesome. You're not awesome, I'm awesome.
We love you! Well, you two seem to be getting on.
I know. Well, I got to practice on a non-showbiz sibling.
I knew this would happen. I've been replaced as the #1 sibling. Forgotten about.
Forgotten about? McLaren, how could I forget about you? When you're doing that annoying tapping, cut it out!
You're not awesome, I'm awesome. Turn up the volume.
What happened was you. Impressive. Come see. You have it in you to be a great drummer. My drum tent. Release any frustration you have into the drums.
I don't have any frustrations. Except maybe for the way I do everything for Nova. Never get the tiniest bit of thanks. Or recognition. Or encouragement, or allowed to do anything I might want to do. Not even just once. And then, after all that, I get traded in for a cooler sibling.
I knew you had it in you, sis, but that was
too awesome. Bro.
I'm too awesome. Got the tune of the century and no one else competes. 'Cause you're not awesome, I'm awesome.
How amazing was that?
Brilliant, amazing, the best thing ever.
It's such a waste not to perform in front of an audience.
I suppose it is cruel to keep this all to myself. Perhaps I could do a quick show.
Oh, and
Johnny, you can perform with me. Yes, an exclusive impromptu sibling show.
I'd love to perform beside you.
Behind me. Perform behind me.
So, we're going to the festival?
No. Mum. We'll do it from the Jefferson stage, and then the whole festival will see what an amazing sister I am.